If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then you should take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in Hydro Blue. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, rear window wiper and washer, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 38,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5836.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.